People think you are lazy. They say you don't have discipline, but it is not true. You are not lazy. You are just stuck. And in this video, I'll explain you why we keep avoiding work even after you wanted to do it. And I will also explain you how to break this loop step by step. And this is not a motivational video. When I delayed things, it was not because I was lazy. It was because I was scared. When you delay things, it was not because you are lazy. You are delaying things because you are scared. Initially, I avoided recording videos because I thought people would laugh at me, they will judge me. And some people also avoid studying because they are having a fear of failure. They think that they might fail. Actually, we don't avoid tasks. We avoid the feeling behind them. It might be having a feeling of fear, shame, failure, or anything. This feeling is the real reason for procrastination. Every time when we avoid something, we feel guilty, and that guilty make us feel worse. Then we go to Instagram and scroll, and we try to escape, and doing that wasting us more time. And in our life, it becomes as a cycle: fear, avoid, guilt, escape, and then repeat. We fall into this loop. We want to break that cycle, but we don't know how. Here is what I did to break that loop slowly. Step 1: lower the pressure. I stopped expecting perfect results. I told myself even getting 60% result is good enough, and that helped me to start. You also don't expect 100% result when you are starting for the first time. Just go with the flow and understand the mistakes you are doing and try to improve. Step 2: do a 5-minute timer. When we are starting any new task, we will have that motivation that I will do for 5 hours. I will continue this for 1 week. Right? Instead of saying I will work for 2 hours, start with just 5 minutes. This will help you build the momentum in the initial stages. Most times when you start doing it, you kept going. Step 3: make it emotional. Put a photo of your family on your desk. Whenever you feel like giving up, you look at that photo and ask one thing: why am I doing this? When your why is stronger, your works get lighter. Finally, I want to say one thing: we are not lazy, we are just scared, and that's okay. You need to accept it first. You don't need to fix everything in one day. Only thing you need to do is just start. Start small, start ugly, but start now. If this video helped you a little, please subscribe to our channel. I am also not perfect. I am just trying. If you are also the same, then you are in the right place. Let's grow together by doing one small step at a time. We'll see you in the next video.